Here we go. Come on, you can give me better than that.
No pressure,
40 minutes to
Stephen.
kill.
I have 40 minutes to kill. I doubt that's going to happen.
I'll settle for 36.
Reverend Father, ladies, gentlemen, and all those dear to Mark and Michelle. For those of you who don't know me, as yet, you will. I'm Stephen, Mark's older married brother. So I do know what I'm talking about today. As I'm sure you may imagine, being asked to be best man is like being called to jury duty. You don't really want to do it, but you know you have to. You're made to dress up snappy and pretend you're an upstanding member of the community. Believe me, I had nothing to do with the life sentence passed earlier today. That was all Mark and Michelle. No doubt one that will make doing the time worth it together. Mark and Michelle, this is an honour to stand up here today as your brother and best man. I'm so happy for you both. It is wonderful to be able to celebrate this occasion with so many of our families and friends, particularly those who have come from places as far as Tipperary, Aberdeen, Waterford, etc. Welcome, one and all. Speaking of friends and family, I must say, looking around today, you all spruce up very well. You're gorgeous. Give yourselves a round of applause. Of course, I have to mention the absolutely glorious attendants who have excelled themselves with new hairdos, tan, makeup.
Lashes.
No, they didn't get lashes. Stand up, groomsmen. Lads, you have excelled yourselves. Naturally, the ladies, our bridesmaids, you take our breath away. No need for jokes or fun here. Well, just beautiful. Ladies, stand up. Build a bus, everyone. Our stunning bride, Michelle. Truly magnificent. Build a bus. It is easy to see how Mark has become so enchanted by you. But to be honest, your beauty tonight is making Mark a bit more handsome than he really is. Although he once believed he had a future in modelling. We'll get to that in a moment. Fun. It was no easy task writing this speech. I sat for hours. I wrote 5 speeches. I sat at the pond thinking of Mark while writing the speech, concentrating on memories, both good and bad. And then I saw it. A swan coming into land in the pond. I did. As it hit the water, a spray came up on either side of the swan. It was beautiful. And as it came to a stop, it kind of showed off his wings. Kind of did this. Oh yeah, he knew it was good. And it reminded me of something. It reminded me of when Mark passes a window or a mirror. And he has to have a look at himself every single time. And not only that, he stops and, like the swan, fixes the hair. You're beautiful. And then I got thinking, swans have a nice entrance, but not all birds have a really nice entrance, do they? Pigeons don't make a really good kind of entrance. They kind of come in like this. Doesn't make sense, it's silly. And then I thought about a few more birds, and I thought, chickens. Why do chickens walk like they're in a minefield? Chickens kind of like... Probably a step too far now, but you get what I mean. And it reminded me of when a married man, or like most of you married men will agree, come home from one or two too many pints. She's already in bed. You're sneaking in. Picture this. Mark says he's going for 2 pints. Meets Christopher. Had 6 pints. Michelle's, it's always going to be Christopher's fault, by the way. And he's sneaking in, and he knows. One creak. One knock vase. Bam. Michelle blows up. It happens to all of us. So anyway. Last pigeon joke, I promise. 2 pigeons. They're in a park. They're actually in the pond when I was writing a speech. 2 pigeons, a male and a female pigeon. The male pigeon is kind of coming on to the female pigeon. He's giving it that. I don't know what the male pigeon was saying to the female pigeon, but I reckon it was pure dirty talk. Now, I can't believe it. Anyway, pure dirty talk. And then I thought to myself, Mark, have you ever talked dirty to a woman? You know, where you kind of go, and I suppose some men might have done it, you know where you kind of go too far, and then you can't drag back, you've spoke a wee bit dirty, you've gone a wee bit too far, and you kind of have to say, no, sorry pet, we'll bring that back a little bit. We'll start again. What's your name? Yeah, but anyway, I'm sure, there's no doubt, Pat, without any shadow of a doubt, Mark has never done that and never will. Mark will be like me. Be nice now, be nice. I speak clean to my wife. I say to my wife, I say, when I get you home, I'm gonna wash the dishes. You go on up to bed and I'll stick the washing machine on. I'll slip into bed beside you and leave you alone. She'd say, do you promise? I'd be like, tonight's your night, baby. Mark, you may laugh, but we all get there. So Mark and I think the best way to describe our relationship, since Mark graced us with his presence in 1988. Sorry, I need a drink of water.
I think you do.
I am shaking, I may look, anyway. Yes, since he graced us with his presence in 1988, we've all seen Tom and Jerry, cartoon.
Yeah.
Well, between me and Mark, it always went like that. Mark could always run faster. All the time. Then I'd get in trouble or hurt. I chased him so hard one day for hitting me square in the face with a football. On the green, Christopher was there. I chased him so hard that he cleared Georgie's ditch right beside our house. I jumped the ditch. Didn't get over the ditch. Landed on my collarbone. Snapped it. True story. We were a great team in later years. Football was our great love. Once we were on the same team, we were unstoppable. A rule that was made, us being on the same team, because against each other, it was more like Patrick Vieira and Roy Keane. We didn't see eye to eye. Our competitive edge kind of clashed. However, Mark, I found this, and as much as we have fought over the years, it made me smile and think of us. It's a quote. A friend will calm you down when you are angry, but a best friend will skip beside you with a baseball bat, singing, "Someone's gonna get it." Mark, you should know. I'll look at you for this. You should know. I am your biggest fan. I am very proud of you, and I will always have your back, forever. You might need it, bro. You're marrying into a family full of guards. It's okay though, I've scanned the house. It's not bugged. Sorry, Pat. Now to the serious part. I must give thanks to Michelle's parents, Pat and Concetta, and to our own parents, Joe and Tina. Thank you. Father Jerry Campbell for a lovely mass. The staff and management of the Carrickdale Hotel, who couldn't have done more for us. Thank you very much. And obviously the families and friends for making this special day in Mark and Michelle's life. Alright? On a final note, Mother Teresa once said, "Smile at each other, smile at your wife, smile at your husband, smile at your children, smile at each other. It doesn't matter who it is, and that will help you to grow in a greater love for each other." Would you all be upstanding?
I have a question to ask.
No, just the one.
Steve, I have a question.
For the toast, obviously, come on, lads.
4 minutes until.
Love is a force more impressive than any other because it is invisible. It cannot be seen, but it can transform you in a moment and offer you more joy than any material possession ever could. To Mark and Michelle. That's me.
3 minutes.